What's up, Shiba? Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. You know what? In this video, I'm talking about the Shiba crazy changes. You know what? In this time, the last 1 hour price change is positive, and the next hour price change is negative. The situation is getting crazy, my friends. One day price pump, second day price dump. So no one can understand at this time the moves of the Shiba, and people are confused that what should we do in this time, my friends. So absolutely, my friends, in this video I will show you and I will give you a solution. Keep watching this video, and please, my friends, please, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. At this time, my friends, the latest price of the Shiba is 0.000008 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Shiba. On the other side, if you look the price changes of the Shiba, so as I told you, my friends, that the last 1 hour price change is positive, and the next previous last 1 day price change is negative, and again price change is again positive, my friends. So one positive, second negative, again positive. That is the pattern of the Shiba. That is why no one can understand the moves of the Shiba, and they or don't decide, they can't decide that what should we do. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, as you can see here, the Shiba Inu is going good in the last 1 week. You can see here. But you know what, my friends? At this time, just look on this price chart. That is the 1 day jump. That is the 1 day jump of the Shiba. You can see here. And you can see here in the next, they recovered this jump in the 2-3 days, my friends. You can see here, they recovered this jump in 2-3 days. So the 1 day jump they recover in the coming soon 2-3 days. So that is the big loss of all Shiba holders. That is a waste of time, my friends. Not the price goes upward, not the price falls down. And now again they are struggle to start moving upward at this time. But if you look, the average level change is occurring in the Shiba so the average level change is positive, 32.25%. That's mean that you are in the profit, my friends. Anyways, Shiba is a good investment, so I really recommend for all of you that please, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. How do you feel today about Shiba? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.